Hey guys, we're playing Watch Dogs with Doug the Modder. I can only record for a minute because I have to get off soon.
Give me a name.
Yeah.
They never gave me a name. I'll tell you a name. Go.
Cause I got GBs on PS3, got him on PS3 and my Doug Life BX. Yeah, check out my clan's YouTube channel, DBX Clan. If y'all like this video, be sure to subscribe, like, comment, I don't care. And if you dislike this video, just post in the comments. Don't click dislike.
Very carefully. Think.
Play. Whenever the video recorder stops, that means either the phone is dead or yeah, that's pretty much it.
Stories
Phone
that are
died.
like nothing you ever seen before.
But be sure to check out my
Better walk
new
away
Black
from
Ops 2
this
video.
thing. Some things you can't walk away from. Please! Who gave the order? I spoke to them on the phone. They told me where to find you. That's all I know, man. That's all I know.
Can I play now?
I don't
Okay,
know.
I gotta shoot him.
How's your memory now?
He's lucky I had no bullets. I would've popped his brain off. What is he? Blood all over my shoes. Oh, look at. Oh, he really think I'm that dumb? Stupid. Thought I was dumb. Ninja reflexes. Please be sure to subscribe after the video. Thank you.
Maurice won't talk to me.
Oh,
I
I
bet
want
he talked to you.
Me. Yeah, I got free sodas. Anybody want a soda? Let me skip this. Nobody got time for that. Come on, we're gonna leave the locker room. Meds. You know, why would they have meds up in here?
Yo, Maurice. Yo, what's shaking, motherfucker? Where the hell you been? What? He's talking to me. I leave you for 2 minutes. Give me my bullets. I tossed them. What? You said you'd kill him otherwise. I told you to hold on to them, Jordy. Where you been, anyway? I had to make a call. And you get what you need from Maurice? Oh, you're kidding me. Let's clean this mess up. Stop admiring your work. Hey, that's cute and all, but I'm disappointed, Pierce. I mean, you failed to spot the nasty inter-gang drama I created here. I don't like loose ends. Get him out of here. No, too late. Bottom of the 8th. Chicago's ahead. Game's almost over. We are out of time. Nice shot. Huh. Come on, you're not just a little...
Alright guys, I gotta go off. It's time for my GB match.
Glad you asked.
I'll post more videos when I get back.
We got 40